Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm very excited to be sharing with you my fall home tour. It is a different look from last year, definitely a lot less decor, but I am definitely enjoying it. I will be starting at my front porch, and I just wanted to let you know that if you are interested in anything in any of my rooms, I have separate videos for each one of the rooms that I have decorated, where I go into more detail from where everything is from. So right now I'm going to stop talking and just let you guys enjoy this home tour, and let me know down below if you had enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not, and I hope you enjoy it.
My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. Spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
I just wanted to pop on real quick here and let you know, those of you that are here for the very first time, we have recently just did a full main floor reno, and it's still not 100% done, so you might see certain things like tape on the floor or something's missing. It's just because we are still working on, and it's just few details are left, like a door in my kitchen's missing because I'm waiting for it to be installed by the kitchen company. So I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know. I know those of you that have been around here for a while know it, but those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, that's the case. Well, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know what you think of my new kitchen. It is the first time I am actually showing it, other than the day that I decorated it, but this is more of an overview of it. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.